have you, man.
What's up, ladies and gents?
Why do you always
Hello. Hi, guys. Cuz.
What should it be then?
What should it be?
Yo.
Hey, hey, hey.
Gentlemen.
Gentlemen, ladies, people, YouTube. All right, take two. My wife and kids wanted to bring this stand-up paddleboard out, so we are at Mountain Island Lake today. It's a beautiful day, and I'm off work, so why not? They're up on the water already, got them all out there, so I'm gonna strap on this GoPro. Got 2 rods with me, and we're gonna do some bank fishing, guys. I saw one on the bed already, so we're gonna go and see if we can work that one. If not, then I don't know. We'll see what happens today. Stay tuned. Okay, we'll start here. There's one on the bed. I saw about a good 2-pounder, but it's right where those guys are standing over there, so I can't start off over there. I'm gonna start off right here. There's one right there. I don't know if he's on a bed or not. Interesting. Very finicky. Holy crap, he bit it. Yo, cool, yeah, man.
Yeah, all right. Just have fun with your family, man. Be safe, brother.
I'll see you Sunday, bro.
All right.
All right.
Take care.
Bye.
Bye.
See it again. Oh. He broke me off. Yo. I should stop wasting time on this dude. He's not even that big. Got one on the bed. One on the bed. Tiny one, but I'll take it. Thank you, bud. He had it. Got him. Get over here. That's a big one. Had to change out my hook. See if I can find the bigger ones, guys. Thank you, bud. What? Thought you'd be bigger than that. Get in here. Small, bro. You choked it too. Must be the female that I keep seeing. All right, got him out. It's a little bleeding, but be okay. Thank you, bud.
I'll forget to catch something.
It's all right. I caught 3 already.
Yeah. 3's a good number.
Mm-hmm. All right. That guy over there did not want to bite. Well, I caught the male. And then I saw the female, but he kept pushing the female away, so I don't think that's gonna work. I'm gonna walk around this side over here to see if there's any other ones on beds. I just rolled my ankle, guys. Came back to grab lunch from the back of the truck, and I went to jump off, and I landed on the curb, the parking curb. Rolled my ankle pretty good. I'm just glad it's not broken right now. Okay. Yeah. Not a bad little 2-hour session right there. It's better than being stuck inside the house. And this lake is always beautiful. Every time I come here, even after like rain and stuff, it stays pretty clear. All right, guys. Thank you guys for watching. I'm gonna lift my butt back up the hill and go home. Peace out, guys. Almost there.